Okay, this is the spec for the Jack and Danny before setup. On the 12th fret, it's 3.5, higher than 3.5. On the treble side, is 3.25. Lay of the neck has a slight relief. I'm going to bring down a bit more on the saddle to bring. Ideally, I want to bring it to 2.3, but to play safe, I would suggest 2.5. So yeah, I'm gonna bring it down to get the ideal setup. For the front part here, for the first fret, is a bit hard to play as well. I will be adjusting that together with the rest. Okay, bye. Okay, so today we got a Jack and Danny Acoustic coming in for pro setup, change of saddles. Some of the pins I have to rim a bit bigger so it can fit nicely. Nut change also. Okay, then after that for the tuners I have to align and re-drill. Okay, so tuning will be standard E. This is on 12 gauge strings. Elixir 12 gauge. Yeah. Okay, note test. So on the 12th fret we have 1.75, and on the treble side 1.5. Okay. For here to here, I can go slightly a bit lower, but it may start to buzz. This is the safest setup for this guitar. This is as low, as safe that I can get it down without buzzing. So yeah, guitar is pretty much done. Looks pretty good. Kinda like it. The sound is very bright, very defined. I like it. Yeah, so guitar is good to go. Let me know when you want to pick up. Bye.